Now, welcome back to Karis Investment, where investments are made simple. You guys understand. My name is Ken, young entrepreneur. I do daily videos in terms of trading. This video is specifically to do with Blackberry. Now, I've done a ton of trading Blackberry this morning, heavily due to the news in terms of the and the earnings report that came out. Now, in terms of the report was not very disappointing. It wasn't the greatest, but at the end of the day, it beat the expectation. Now, in terms of revenue, we understand there's a long way to go. There's a ton of work that BlackBerry needs to do on their end to make sure the company could be more profitable in the future. But we understand it's a pandemic, and we're just taking things as simple as I always say. Now, if you guys remember, if we look back in October, November of last year, I let you guys in at this time. I let you know that, hey, I think that BlackBerry was going to cross over that $20 per share very soon. And I did predict that by 2021, it would have crossed as $50 per share. Now, we came very close. We can see that it crosses over a huge jump where it crosses over $28 per share, but then we have a huge pullback. And since then, not much action. Now, if you guys are following this channel, absolutely, guys, I bring stocks to you that I buy personally in my portfolio. I keep it simple. It all came down to this. I truly believe in the company in terms of the software, what they're pushing, in terms of what the company stands for, in terms of security. Now, keep in mind, if you read through the report, you have seen that there are hundreds of millions of cars that's actually coming out with the BlackBerry Annex like platform for the infotainment system. So you definitely know that there's a niche of market there in the Internet of Things. And that's where I think BlackBerry is going to stay for a long time because especially in the EV world and the smart car world, we see that BlackBerry have a strong relationship with a lot of the manufacturers out there in terms of providing the software, the security. Because at the end of the day, guys, when these security concern arises in terms of a smart car, you want to make sure that you have a reliable company that's known for security. And that's where BlackBerry actually positioned themselves to be a leader in that space. Now, we understand that BlackBerry is not the BlackBerry of the past in terms of the smartphone market. We understand that. But in terms of the software and security, in terms of cloud computing, definitely the company have advanced in that segment. Now, I will post a link of the actual earnings report and the call what they made. If you guys want to learn more or read over the report yourself to get your consensus, that's fine as well. But in terms of the performance of BlackBerry, definitely the company have traded in the last year. I've super exceed my expectation. If you take a look back, as I said, in October, November, the company was trading below $4.50 per share. Now, I made a video right around it starts to rise at $6.30 per share. And I tell you guys that, hey, the company will make profit if you want to make 100% on your money. If you think about then compared to where the company went and then came back and went again, you have made the great choice if you bought into this company early. Now, the share price right now, it's around $11.98. This is USD. And the Canadian side, it's trading, if you convert the rate, is $14.71. It is still a great buy for anyone that's looking. Now, if we look since the year started, we understand in the start of January, a huge spikes in terms of the GameStop and BlackBerry and a few other company. Now, if you did purchase back in October when I told you at $6 to $7 per share, you would have made like 400-500% on your money, right? Now, if you did sell at that point and then rebuy at anywhere in the lows in February or even in May last month or even in early June, then you would have still made another 100% again on your money at the time when it crosses over $20. So, guys, listen. This is not financial advice. You have to really make a decision if you want to get in on the stock. No one could put a gun to your head and force you. I'm only sharing what I'm doing. I'm sharing for somebody else that may want to make some money. If you guys are in the same mindset as me, then definitely we can all make money together. I just want to put it out there that, listen, the company is poised to make a run again. This is not the end for Blackberry. So if you're holding on to any shares in the company, definitely you may want to be prepared to think long term. No, I still think strongly by the end of this year, the price will start to exceed expectation. And then even next year, if you look for 2022 and 2023, when there's more smart cars that's coming on the market, you will see a huge increase in the share price. Keep in mind, guys, every car that goes on the road that uses the Annex system, BlackBerry is making money, right? Not to mention the other security um, software and cloud computing and all that other stuff, what it's providing to commercial customers. So the company have a huge upside to it. The potential is definitely there. No, you just got to be patient. Again, it's investment. It may come in a month, it may come in a year, or it may come in 5, 10 years, right? Depends what time frame that you have that works for you. Now, guys, if you like the video, I don't want to speak too much on it. Again, I'm on the market trading right now. So I want to just bring this information to you. If you get some time, please take a look over the earnings report. You can also go to their website and look through the investor relation side. You can see the exact same report as well on blackberry.com. Guys, until next time, please like, share, and subscribe, and peace out.